which is related to coronavirus. First of all, as you all know that corona affects all the humans' life and all the humans' life um, and before 2 years ago before 2 years ago, corona affected me and my family. At that time, it was a time when no when all the schools, colleges, and offices were closed, and no one used to go outside. And at that time, we thought that we should check corona. We should go for corona test, and me and my family went to hospital for get. Me and my family went to hospital to get corona test done, and after 5 or 10 minutes, doctor said while seeing report that we all are corona positive, and he also advised that we should stay at our home and not to go outside, and the doctor gave a machine to check our heartbeats daily, and at that time we reached at our home and we maintained silence, we maintained
Isolation.
distance from each other,
Isolation.
Isolation, and we maintained isolation, and we stayed at our home for 15 days, and there were many restrictions on us, and 3 police officers were there, and whatever we needed, they just go to market and take whatever we wanted at that time, and
Seriously.
yes, seriously.
So there were 3 police guard. They were protecting you.
Yes.
Oh my God. That was a good life.
Yes.
Yeah. Next.
And those 15 days were crucial for all of us, and but after 12 days, what happened that after 12 days I suffered from breathing problem, and I was thinking that I won't be able to alive anymore on this earth, and but because I heard in news that whoever go to hospital, he or she gets died. This was the thinking in my mind, and but after 1 hour I was feeling good, and all were scared about my health, and that was the crucial hour for me as well, and for my family as well, but after 15 days we just we
Recovered.
we killed coronavirus, and
We beat.
we killed, and we beat coronavirus, and but those 15 days were
Most challenging phase for you.
most challenging phase in my life. But what I learned from those days that if we are with our family, then we can fight with anyone and with any situation or with any diseases. That's all. Thank you very much.
What if you are not with your family? Will you lose all the opportunities? Will you lose all the opportunities if you are not with your family? Why didn't you learn it from movie Dangal? His father says.
No, I learned just because I already said that if I was just about to, I was feeling that I will not alive. I was.
Then
about
you
to
just
die.
said na. You just said na that if our family is with us, then we can fight with anything, right? So your family will not be everywhere to help you. You have to be independent girl
Yes.
to deal with all the obstacles, right? So you can say that it is I who fought against the pandemic and the most spreaded virus that is called corona and by the grace of God and by the caring of families or parents, है ना, मतलब उनकी क्या है, छत्रो छाया में तुम बच गए. Okay, so any more question, guys?